Fireflies. These tiny creatures light up our nights with their magical glow. But they are not flies at all. They are beetles, part of a family called Lampyridae. What makes them so special? It's their ability to create their own light. Imagine a summer evening. The sun sets and the sky turns a deep blue. Then, like tiny stars coming out, fireflies begin to twinkle. Their light show is a delight to watch and reminds us of the wonders of nature. Across the globe, different cultures have been captivated by fireflies. In Japan, they are celebrated in festivals. Children in some countries catch fireflies in jars, creating their own miniature lanterns. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of fireflies. We'll uncover the secrets behind their glow and learn about their lives, from birth to their dazzling light displays. Every firefly begins its life as a tiny egg. A female firefly lays her eggs on the ground, often near moist areas. These eggs are like tiny pearls, barely visible to the naked eye. When the time is right, small larvae hatch from the eggs. These larvae are sometimes called glowworms. Even at this young age, they can produce light. The glow helps them ward off predators. The larvae spend their time hunting. They feed on small insects and other invertebrates. As they grow, they shed their skin several times, much like a snake shedding its skin. Finally, the larvae enter the pupa stage. Inside the pupa, a remarkable transformation takes place. The larva changes and develops into its adult form. After some time, an adult firefly emerges from the pupa. It is now ready to take flight and join the magical light show. But its time is limited. Adult fireflies only live for a few weeks. Their main purpose? To find a mate and create the next generation of glowing wonders. Fireflies are found in many parts of the world. They prefer warm, humid places with plenty of moisture. You'll find them gracing fields, forests, and marshes with their presence. One important requirement for firefly habitats is darkness. They need dark environments to see each other's flashes. Too much light pollution from cities can interfere with their communication. Some fireflies prefer to live near water sources like streams and ponds. This is because their larvae need moist environments to survive. Others might be found in meadows, where tall grasses provide shelter during the day. No matter their chosen home, fireflies play an essential role in their ecosystem. They help control populations of other insects, and their presence is a sure sign of a healthy and vibrant environment. Section 4. Lighting up the night. The magic of bioluminescence. The secret to a firefly's glow lies in a chemical reaction within its body. This process is called bioluminescence, which means living light. Inside the firefly's abdomen is a special organ called a light organ. This organ contains a chemical called luciferin. When luciferin mixes with oxygen and an enzyme called luciferase, a magical thing happens. They produce light. The firefly can control its flashes by regulating the amount of air that reaches its light organ. It's like turning a tiny light switch on and off. But why do fireflies light up? It's all about communication. Each species of firefly has a unique flash pattern. This pattern helps them find and attract mates of the same species in the darkness. Imagine a field filled with fireflies, each species flashing its own code. It's a silent symphony of light, a language only they understand. Section 5. Love is in the air. Firefly courtship rituals. The firefly's light show is more than just a beautiful display. It's a language of love, a way to find a mate in the vast expanse of the night. Male fireflies are usually the ones putting on the most dazzling displays. They fly about, flashing their lights in specific patterns to attract females. Each species has its own unique flash pattern. It's like a secret code that only they know. The females, usually resting on the ground or in vegetation, watch and wait for a familiar flash. When a female spots a pattern she recognizes, she responds with a flash of her own. This exchange of signals continues, drawing the male closer and closer to his potential mate. However, not all flashes are about love. Some fireflies use their light to trick and prey on others. Certain species mimic the flash patterns of other fireflies to lure unsuspecting victims. The world of firefly courtship is full of wonder, deception, and the eternal search for love in the darkness. Section 6. Guardians of the night. Importance and threats. Fireflies with their magical glow are more than just a spectacle of nature. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. As predators, they help keep populations of other insects in check, preventing outbreaks that could harm plants and crops. Their presence is an indicator of a healthy environment. They thrive in areas with clean water, diverse vegetation, and minimal light pollution. However, these enchanting creatures face growing threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization is shrinking their living spaces. Light pollution from cities interferes with their communication, making it difficult for them to find mates. Pesticide use, while targeting other insects, can also harm fireflies. It's crucial that we protect these tiny wonders and the habitats they depend on. By reducing light pollution, preserving natural areas, and being mindful of pesticide use, we can all play a part in ensuring that the magical dance of fireflies continues to illuminate our nights for generations to come.